Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Jewlybox unboxing from April. This is the April bag that they were kind enough to send over to me to unbox for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything in Jewlybox and also explain to you a little bit about the company. But before I do, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. If you want to see what's in the April Jewlybox, then just keep on watching. So Jewlybox is a jewelry subscription service where you pay $19.99 per month to get 3 pieces of jewelry, and everyone that subscribes to this service gets the exact same pieces every single month. There's actually a few options. The $19.99 option is 3 pieces of jewelry, and I think you can choose between what they have there. It's not quite name brand jewelry, but it is really high quality jewelry. But they also have another option where you pay a little less and you just get a pair of earrings. If you're more into earrings, then that option might be better for you. In the case of this is the normal Jewlybox bag that they were kind enough to send over to me, the one that's $19.99. Basically, you keep the jewelry and that's pretty much it. You're paying $19.99 a month for 3 pieces of jewelry that you get to keep forever. So this is April's Jewlybox bag. I did open it already, so it doesn't come like this. It comes like with a pretty little bow and it comes in a box and everything. But I just wanted to take it out to have it ready to go. But basically, it's a nice little bag that says Jewlybox and the pieces are inside and they're in little plastic Ziploc kind of things, and I'm gonna go ahead and open them and show you what I got this month. So the first thing I pulled out was a little bracelet. By little, I don't mean little. It's actually quite a nice little chunky bracelet. I don't have any bracelets that are like this in silver. I actually have a lot of gold. Oh, that's another thing. You can choose between silver and gold pieces, I believe. I think you take like some sort of like style quiz or something before you sign up. What I like about this though is that it is adjustable, so you can like pull it to make it looser if you need to, which I probably will need to do. My wrist is really small, but I cannot fit my wrist in that. So I probably just tighten it up as well. Let me take this off and the other bracelet I have on. It's really adjustable. You can tighten it as much as you can to make it like a cuff that actually sits still, or you can leave it like loose like a bangle, and I really like it. I think it adds a little bit of boldness to your wrist because it is quite thick, so it's really nice. The next thing I pulled out were earrings, and these are really cute little studs. I wouldn't say little, and I actually don't have a pair of these like this either, so let me take them out and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. This is what they look like on. I think they look really fancy. Like I could pull this off if I was going to like a wedding or something, and honestly I'm lacking in silver wedding jewelry. I always wear like gold, so this is like really came in handy. I really like the way they look on my ears. They literally make me look super classy, don't they? Like they're super pretty. And the last thing in this month's bag is a necklace, and I actually haven't looked at this yet. I don't know why I never pulled it out. Let's see if I can put it on. I always have a hard time putting on necklaces because of my nails, but let me show you what it looks like. I'm also lacking in silver necklaces. Like I have a lot of gold necklaces, but this is super pretty. So it has a little stone on the end and it's wrapped in the silver as well, but the stone is actually like white. It looks almost like a moonstone, but it's not, I don't think. So let's see if I can get this on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Hopefully I can. It might actually like look really good with what I'm wearing right now. I did it. Oh, I love that it's adjustable. It has so many little slots where you can put the hook through. I think it looks pretty like that though. I think it looks really pretty. So those were all the pieces in the April Jewlybox. So once again, if you want this option, it is $19.99. However, I do have a discount code. I think it's just my name, so Laura, and you can just get, I think, $5 off with that discount code, which I think is a pretty good deal. You definitely won't find this like in the store. So these are really unique pieces. They're not name brands, but they are really high quality. Like this is not gonna break on me. This is probably not gonna scratch. This is a really high quality chain, and the necklace on like the actual pendant is really high quality as well. These look super classy and I love them. For $19.99 a month, this is a really good deal. So if you're super into jewelry, I highly recommend this subscription service. Don't forget to use my code for like an additional $5 off. I don't know if it'll get you $5 off always or just your first month. I'm not exactly sure. I don't make money off of it. It's not an affiliate code. It's nothing like that. It's just for you guys to get a discount. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see me unbox the Jewlybox every single month, because I do get them every month. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
We'll be right back.